Hi peaches, welcome back to my channel. This is Joanna, but definitely call me Jo. Welcome to the 6-part series of the head wrap tutorial. This is style 2 out of 6. If you haven't watched the first one, I would encourage you to watch it. I will link it up here for you. Enjoy.
Like a blazing flare, to stay 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I would like to say a big thank you to my subscribers and viewers. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so, and also activate the bell button to be notified when I upload a video. Thank you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.